planning to take admission to MBBS in 2026, then today we will talk about the Institute of Medical Sciences and some hospital Bhubaneswar. We will learn about its fees, cutoff, rankings, eligibility, courses, and admission process. Do watch the video until the end. IMS NSUM Hospital, Bhubaneswar, is a private medical college in Odisha. This college is under Shiksha O Anusandhan SOA University. MCI and NMC recognize the college and count it among India's top private medical colleges. This college offers certified medical courses. MBBS, UG, MD, MS, PG, and super specialty courses are available. Eligibility for MBBS in Class 12. At least 50% in physics, chemistry, and biology. Age should be at least 17 years old. It is necessary to qualify for UG properly. MBBS admission is completely based on the NEET UG score. Admission process: pass NEET UG. Apply on the website of the MCC Medical Counseling Committee. After document verification and college allotment, submit the fees and confirm admission. The fee structure is something like this. General category 212. Seating 2,195,000 NR in quota, $50,000 per year. College caution money, UG MBBS hostel. Fee: 3-bedded AC, 2-bedded AC mess fees. Hostel caution money, 5,000 rupees. Details of fee structure, postgraduate program, MS/MD, academic session 2025 to 26, MD, anatomy. No fees MD, anesthesiology, 22.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, biochemistry. No fees MD, dermatology, venereal and leprosy, /dermatology/skin and venereal diseases, /venereology. 34.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, general medicine, 32.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, microbiology, 5.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, preventive and social medicine / community medicine, 5.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, pediatrics, 32.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, pathology, 12.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, pharmacology, no fees. MD, physiology, no fees. MD, psychiatry, 22.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, radiodiagnosis, 34.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD in transfusion medicine / immunohematology and blood transfusion, 10.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, tuberculosis and respiratory diseases / pulmonary medicine / MD, respiratory medicine, 22.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MD, emergency medicine, 22.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MS, ENT / otorhinolaryngology, 22.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MS, general surgery, 24.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MS, obstetrics and gynecology, 32.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MS, ophthalmology, 22.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MS, orthopedics, 30.80 lakhs rupees per annum. NRI fees, MS/MD, MD, dermatology, venereology and leprosy, /dermatology / skin and venereal diseases /venereology, USD, 81,500 per annum. MD, general medicine, USD, 81,500 per annum. MD, pediatrics, USD -81,500 per annum. MD, radiodiagnosis, USD -81,500 per annum. MS, general surgery, USD 59,500 per annum. MS, obstetrics and gynecology, USD -81,500 per annum. Stipend for MS/MD first year, 60,000 rupees per month. Second year, 3% hike of first year stipend per month. Third year, 3% hike of second year stipend per month. College caution money, one time, refundable, 5,000 rupees. There is no institutional bond for the MD/MS program. For boarders, postgraduates, MS/MD, hostel fees. Hostel fee, 2 bedrooms, non-AC, 70,000 rupees per annum. 3 bedrooms, AC, 105,000 rupees per annum. 2 bedrooms, AC, 125,000 rupees per annum. Mess, 54,000 rupees per year. Hostel caution money, one time and refundable, 5,000 rupees. Details of fee structure, Super Specialty Program RAM, DM/MSH, Academic Session 2025 to 26. DM Cardiology, 9.90 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Clinical Hematology, 12.80 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology, 14.80 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Critical Care Medicine, 9.90 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Endocrinology, 14.80 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Medical Gastroenterology, 16.80 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Medical Oncology, 10.15 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Neonatology, 14.80 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Nephrology, 9.80 lakhs rupees per annum. DM Neurology, 9.90 lakhs rupees per annum. MHH Neurosurgery, 10.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MDHH Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, 5.50 lakhs rupees per annum. MEH Surgical Gastroenterology, 16.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MEH Surgical Oncology, 16.80 lakhs rupees per annum. MEH Urology, 18.90 lakhs rupees per annum. Stipend for DM/MCH first year, 75,000 rupees per month. Second year, 78,000 rupees per month. Third year, 81,000 rupees per month. College caution money, one time, refundable, 5,000 rupees. There is no institutional bond for DM and MCH program. For boarders, super specialty, DM/MCH, hostel fees, mess, 54,000 rupees per year. Hostel caution money, one time and refundable, 5,000 rupees. Need cut off, जनरल कैटेगरी 400 से 450 प्लस स्कोर पर सुरक्षित माना जा सकता है. ओबीसी, एससी, एसटी में थोड़ा कम स्कोर पर भी चांस होता है. कट ऑफ हर साल नीट रिजल्ट्स और सीट्स के आधार पर बदलती है. IMS एंड सम हॉस्पिटल नीट, कट ऑफ 2025 कैटेगरी वाइज, ऑनल इंडिया. कैटेगरी राउंड 1 क्लोजिंग रैंक, राउंड 2 क्लोजिंग रैंक, राउंड 3 क्लोजिंग रैंक, राउंड 4 क्लोजिंग रैंक. जनरल 233,000, 205, 285,000, 309, 398,000, 720, 298,000, 163. IMS and some hospital, NEE, TPG cutoff 2025 for general category is listed below. Courses Round 1, Closing Rank. Round 2, Closing Rank. Round 3, Closing Rank. MD Radio Diagnosis, 17,947, 18,460, 22,645. MD Dermatology, Venereology and Leprology, 20,600, 23,977. MD General Medicine, 22,387, 22,815, 25,020. MD Pediatrics, 33,468, 39,550, 45,228. MD Pulmonary Medicine, 35,000, 640,000, 250. MS General Surgery, 36,000, 469, 43,000, 625,47,751 ms. Orthopedics 39,000, 300, 450,000, 124, 54,000, 471. MSENT 40,000, 262, 40,000, 450, 53,527. MD Emergency Medicine 41,730, 39,478. MS Ophthalmology 44,375, 51,000, 159, 59,001. MD Psychiatry 46,060, 48,539. MD Anesthesiology 50,607, 56,835, 69,919. MD Immunohematology and Blood Transfusion 86,368. MD Pathology 95,159, 84,728, 76,622. MD Microbiology 98,073, 103,430, 135,194. MD Preventive and Social Medicine 123,597 MD Biochemistry 130,779 222,692. MD Pharmacology 130,840, 96,533, 145,128. MD Anatomy 209115. MD Physiology 217027. रैंकिंग एंड फैसिलिटीज. कॉलेज को कई रैंकिंग एजेंसियों ने भारत के टॉप प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में शामिल किया है. NIRF रैंकिंग में भी अच्छी स्थिति. 1,600 प्लस बेड वाला सम हॉस्पिटल, एडवांस्ड लैब, डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी, रिसर्च फैसिलिटी और क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर. फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस. क्या NRI कोटे की सीट्स उपलब्ध है? हाँ, IMS में NRI कोटे की सीट्स उपलब्ध है. क्या यह कॉलेज MCINMC से अप्रूव्ड है? जी हाँ, यह कॉलेज NMC से मान्यता प्राप्त है. हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी कैसी है? बॉयज और गर्ल्स दोनों के लिए सेपरेट हॉस्टल AC और नॉन AC विकल्पन के साथ उपलब्ध है. क्या डायरेक्ट एडमिशन संभव है? नीट क्वालिफाइड होना अनिवार्य है. डायरेक्ट एडमिशन बिना नीट के संभव नहीं है. अगर आप IMS एंडस UM हॉस्पिटल भुवनेश्वर में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं और काउंसलिंग सपोर्ट चाहते हैं तो हमसे संपर्क करें. नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें या वेबसाइट पर विजिट करें.